Oh yeah, that does feel. Makes my hair waving the. Oh, my hair's sticking up. Oh man, my hair's all wavy now with. Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today I'm going to bring a Bionaire. This is pretty much a fan to blow air from the window out to your room. So if you don't have an air conditioner and it gets a little hot in your area, maybe you want to think about something like this because air conditioners can be unaffordable and too expensive. It comes with remote control, so you don't have to be pushing any of the buttons. You could be sitting away from it. So we're gonna test it out and we're gonna set it up because in this room, all these lights on the studio, it gets really hot. So we're gonna set this up and don't have the money to buy an air conditioner yet. At the moment, we're gonna end up adding this to our window, our existing window that we have, and hopefully you guys could find some other information that you require, or it might not be the right specs or something like that that you might be missing. So let's take a look and open it up. All right, so let's take a look at the fan itself right now. If you can see it, two big giant fans, and they do have these extensions here. If you guys can notice, let me remove them here, unlock it, and oh, you have to unlock them from both ends before, and this kind of extends all the way up. If you can see it, so you can lock it in place by hitting the inside and curves, and then that's it. It kind of locks in. Now they do give you a higher one if you guys notice here. That could be adjusted on the top itself, so you could slide it in there. Let me slide it in there. Oh, we lined it up, and look how long it extends though. So this extends a couple feet. So we're gonna measure this from here to there. Longest I stretched was 35 inches. 35 inches. So that's not bad if you can have a 35-inch window. So make sure that that's the maximum you can go, including with the extension. This is a little flimsy on this end, but like I said, you unlock it, you extrude back, you lock it in there, and then you have your all your lights, your low, medium, your high, and then your in and out. All right, so we got our remote here, and we're gonna power it up. If you can see it, it's powered up. Oh, I can feel it. Uh, this is pushing out some air, of course. It's sucking the air in the back. It is working as a fan, as a dual fan. So there's a power button here, and then we could put temperature up. So we're gonna go down to the bottom below, if you guys can see it. So temperature down, up, down, up, down. So this is sucking the air back, pretty much airflow. It's blowing it. I don't feel anything in the front, but this actually pushes the air. So I'm going to push it back. Now feels better. It's sucking more air from the back. Yeah, I can feel it here. All right, so this is the problem with the window. It's too high for it. So we're going to try to see if we can stick it in there. So basically these things are going to have to lift higher, and we're going to have to close it and close this a little bit more, but we're going to see if we can do it this way. There we go. And push the window now. It's going to gap here. Pretty much best I can do. So if you can see, it still has a gap in here, and my window is not fit for this thing, but if you can see, my window's a little dirty too. I took out the fans and it leaves a large gap. Like I said, it's 37. This is not the right proper size for the window, but I'm gonna test it out, see how much air is going to float in here, because it's pretty hot. Now I like this part that grabs onto the window, but unfortunately it doesn't have another part for any kind of window, and it's not made for every slider. As you can see, it's still not properly set in there, but you could probably cover some of the stuff as a temporary thing. This is pretty good for like a two-story building, but not a single home. Unfortunately this is not going to be working out for me, but we're gonna test it out, see how well it works. All right, we're gonna turn it on right now and see if this thing powers on. and go ahead and crank it up. I have the remote here. Oh yeah, I can feel air, but it's coming hot air because it's hot outside. So if you guys can see it, I still have a gap up there, you know, which I don't like, but it does what it does. And I'm gonna turn the temperature to lower down. Maybe keep it down to 70. I think that's 60. 60 is the max you can go, but I don't think it's gonna help in any kind of way, because you can see the motions of the fan still does the same thing. There's nothing to do, but I'm gonna have to take it off every night, which I don't like about this. So let it cool off for a bit, and then right now, if you can see, it's 89 in this room, which is correct. Let's see if it cools it down. All right, we'll use that temperature meter to see if we can cool the room down in here, because it's 80 right now. It's really hot in this one room. So we're gonna run it for another hour before I come back in here and make sure, see if it works. So, all right guys, so I'm back. It's been no more than an hour in here, and it was 89. It's 90 now. This thing is just a freaking fan. No air really flowing that much. I mean, it is a little fresh with the wind coming in, but you're blowing hot air. If it's hot air, there's really not that much of this thing's going to be able to protect you from the heat. So if you can afford an air conditioner, go ahead and air condition, but if not, this will be probably the next option. But unfortunately, this is going to go back because, of course, I didn't got the right measurements. I might just install an air conditioner in the future or something, but this room gets a lot of hot. If you guys notice, it's 90 degrees. I do have lighting in here that I've been running, and this one too, so it doesn't help in here. But overall, I just want to show you guys that it's just a fan. That's what it is, a fancy fan. That's what it's called. All right, so if you guys like what you guys see, make sure you guys subscribe. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we are out.